Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is LOVELIJA here. I am coming to you with a brow tutorial. Yes, finally a brow tutorial. I know you guys have been waiting for this video for so long, so I'm not even going to hold you up. Okay, I'm just going to let you watch it. But I do want to let you know that this video is a voiceover, so I hope you guys don't mind. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the video. Hey guys, so I'm finally doing my brow video, and to start off, I'm taking the number 12 Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and also the Dip Pomade in chocolate. I've been using the Dip Pomade for a while now. I've been using it for years. So what I'm just doing is just brushing my eyebrows up towards the top just so I can see where I want to start at with my brows. Now, typically, they advise you to start at the bottom and outline your eyebrows there, but I've learned for my eyebrows, I like to start at the top and just go ahead and get my outline out already. And so after I finish outlining the top, I'm going to finish outlining the bottom. And I'm just following the flow of my eyebrow already. I'm not really adding anything to it. I'm just following the flow of what I've already have. Now, when it comes to outlining your eyebrows, you want to make sure that you connect the lines that you created in a nice slant that actually go with the wave of your eyebrow. You don't want to have a boxy eyebrow. You just want the way to make your eyebrows look natural is to follow your eyebrow. So to fill in my eyebrows, I do dip in the pomade at least one time, and I start in the back just because I prefer the back to be darker, and then I work my way up towards the front. And I'm just starting to brush up the product, like the leftover product that I have from my brush. I'm just using that to just fill it in towards the middle. Now in the front, I draw like lines in the front to create hair-like texture movements, if that makes sense, just because I don't want it to be so harsh in the front when I'm doing my brows, as you can see. So I'm just drawing lines, and I'm just going to slightly fill that in just a little bit with the brush. I'm not dipping back into the pomade. I'm just using whatever I have left over on my brush. So I'm satisfied with how it looks. So I'm just brushing through just to make sure the product is distributed evenly on my eyebrows. And then this is the fun part, cleaning the brows. And I'm using a Morphe 510 brush, I believe. If I'm wrong, then you saw it on the video. But I'm taking the LA Pro Girl in Cool Tan. I prefer using this type of brush just because of how straight it is. Now you notice I didn't start directly like at my eyebrows because I don't, you know how some people have those halos around their eyes just because they start the concealer right at their brows instead of, you know, taking a little bit of concealer off the brush first. So I distributed some on my lid and then I gradually worked myself up, and I'm just making it, you know, fade away. I'm blending it in as I'm putting the concealer on there, if that makes sense. And I'm just following my brow arch to clean it up. Now this part, I'm just taking the remainder of the concealer that I have on the brush to clean up the top of my brows. Now, with this brush, I love this Morphe brush because of how dense it is, and it's perfect for blending out the concealer. I use it if I need to touch up under my eyes as well. And you can see that I'm not, you know, I have to worry about the brush getting all of my eyebrows. Is, you know, going directly where I want the brush to go and clean up. And I love this brush. I recommend anyone getting this brush. It's like $5 or $6. And I'm taking the ColourPop brow gel. It's clear, and I just use that to set my brows. I actually picked this up just because I was shopping at Ulta one day. I just picked it up, and I actually really like it to set my brows with. I'll probably try the tinted brow as well. as you can see, this is how my brows turned out. I'm really excited how my brows turned out. So if you guys really like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave me some comments down below. And I'll see you in my next upload.